往哪边来吧？哎，巴布。哦，爸爸。哟。那不你那个水源，挺好。
Here at Dollywood, we're real proud of Klondike Katie. So much that sometimes we like to let her show off a little bit. So what do you say, folks? Would you like to hear the engineer play a tune on that bottled locomotive whistle? No. All right. On the count of 3, let's all yell. Blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle. What do you think about that? Big round of applause for Engineer Stephen and Klondike Katie. Hey, I'm Stephen, and Klondike Katie said, no problem. Now, if you look out to your left, you can see parts of the Great Smoky Mountains. And you can tell why they're called that. They look like that most of the time. The Smokies were established as a national park in 1934.